So let's go to some mining stocks, Evan, that have broken out to see if they have some more legs. They hadn't participated earlier in the year with gold rallies, but now they actually are. Now, Yamana Gold AUY was the leader, so let's see if that's forecasting another rally.
All right, let's take a look at AUY. Nice breakout on Friday with gold. This is a very, very healthy looking chart. Breaking away from the averages here. I like this setup. This portends to higher prices. Any short-term pullback here could be bought. I'd be a buyer of AUY, like I said, on any short-term weakness.
Now, what about other gold stocks that maybe haven't participated as well as Yamana? I want to look at Goldcorp in particular. It's GG. Had just a disaster of a quarter, got really hurt, but seems like it's already breaking out.
GG looks good. You know, it's not a high flyer. I think there's probably better stock issues out there, better stock symbols that you could probably make a little bit better of a return. But we're flirting with breaking this little bit of a downtrend. We had a nice base for pretty much a majority of this year, back to highs. I think any short-term weakness here, you're going to see possibly a breakout above this 54, 55 level. We could see a trade up to 60.
But wait for that short term to kind of get in if you're looking for it. All right, let's go to Randgold. The ticker is GOLD. Very interesting here. The CEO came out last week and was saying that they're not going to meet Q3 production guidance because they had 2 weeks of really heavy rain. But the CEO has been really forthcoming about it, and I want to see if it's a buy.
Gold, GOLD, it looks like gold. I can't really, you know, say it any better. We did get that pullback here from 115. You saw we pulled back to roughly 100. Nice couple of days of basing, you know, poking its head above this pivot here. Looks to me like it can go higher. I'd be a buyer of gold, possibly a trade back to previous highs up there at 115. And
I want to hit on Nova Gold because you brought that stock up last week. NG, it trades like an explorer, but it has an over $2 billion market cap. It's very volatile, though. Very. So what are you saying?
Well, it looks good. We talked about this, you know, sort of underperforming issue. Breaking out, it looked like it had the possibility, and lo and behold, on Friday, with the gold sector, we saw a nice uptick here above a little bit of a mini downtrend line. We could see a move. Again, I'm not looking for anything huge, but a move back to 11, 12 here. Volume was good on that breakout. I would keep an eye on this underperformer, into this resistance area, like I said, around $11.50, $12.
It seems like it's finally the time to be trading those gold stocks. Really quick, Evan, let's wrap it up with silver. Has not really been participating as much as gold, but a few traders I talked to say if gold stays over that $1,900 level, that silver could get that safety play from people who don't have enough money to buy gold. Does the chart prove any of that?
Silver's one of these, it's a precious metal. I don't really think the correlation to gold is there as much as people would like it to be. It's not how I would take this trade. I think with silver, you have to be a little bit more cautious. It's been a very, very slow, tedious build. After we saw this huge selling back in May, it's been a very, very slow grind back up. And when it does sell off, when silver does sell off, it sells off very, very sharp and very, very fast. So unless you're here for just the short term, probably a little bit more risk.
On any kind of rally, would you be looking to sell or short, or is there a trade, or are you just really focused on the miners right now?
I probably would just leave silver and stay with gold, because gold really is where the money is.
All right, gold where the money is. We will definitely leave it at that. We will be back with some European market trades as well as some quick ways to make some cash right after this.